Firstly, you can see our marks got better during this year. At the beginning, we struggled a bit. Children struggled a bit, but Doc came there and Doc showed them the various easy methods to do stuff, and he used the math program, and he showed them the how you can use it. So I use it in the class. Sometimes I use the lessons in the class, and the children use their phone sometimes to check on the lessons. If I do a lesson without A maths, they can go back to A maths and see to fall back on to see if I did the right stuff there. For me, I think A maths is a good thing. It is immediately you can use it immediately. So yeah, I've got no problem with that. I think it's a good thing for our school. Yeah, I think Doc and what's his other name? Doc and Fungi Balu. Yeah, they are great. Yes. They are great. They called me, sent emails, set up meetings, set up classes and stuff, and they're always available to help. So always there. I can count on them, and especially Fundile. He stays up there in town. He walks to school sometimes. Yes. To come and help us at school. So yeah, so I am actually very grateful to Doc and Fundile for the support at school. Yes. And I'm a lone teacher at school for the maths. We have 39 children, and today he took 20. I took 19, and today he took everybody. So yeah, If our marks will be better this year, I think Doc and Fundile, I think they're the great help in that. Doc gave me all the exam papers of the last 12 years. Doc, is it 12 or 13 years?
Yes.
And he put all the questions together, like all the question 1, question 2, question 3. All the modules into one, and I used that and gave that to the children, and that was a big help. So we actually need paper. We need paper
yes.
to make that booklet. For that booklet, I made booklets of all the modules for exponents, for graphic, for functions, for all of those stuffs. I made booklets for every children in the school. So yeah, maybe we need paper. Thank you for you guys, for your support. I think the children will appreciating it. So for you guys to come in and to help our school and our community is a great thing. Thank you, because our community is not the richest, you know that. So thank you for that.